National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piedmont, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. The most intense part of the storm is heading toward Beecher. Source, radar indicated.